3. Hi, I'm Corrie de Jager, the founder of Hydrox Holdings, a privately funded R&D company based in South Africa. We invented the world's very first membraneless electrolyzer, and this technology is going to change the world. The high price of hydrogen is the biggest single factor limiting the widespread adoption of hydrogen, and especially green hydrogen. Although many scientists are striving to find solutions, they are all using technology which has not changed for more than 100 years. All commercial electrolyzers use membranes which limit their operating temperatures to below 90 degrees centigrade, and where waste heat needs to be constantly removed. With lower energy efficiencies, the electricity feed is the major cost contributing factor. It is well known that higher operating temperatures are extremely beneficial as it offers huge thermodynamic gains. And this is where our DEF technology is in a class of its own. At a temperature of 200 degrees centigrade, the kinetics of water splitting becomes order of magnitude faster, whilst the energy demand is much lower, and with an energy efficiency of 95%, the cost of hydrogen can be lowered by a massive 30%, making hydrogen cost competitive with fossil fuels. This disruptive technology has been patented in many countries. It has been peer-reviewed and papers have been published in scientific journals. It has been presented at global conventions, and we are proud to have received top awards. Shell gave us a grant, and we successfully completed and tested a small-scale demonstration unit operating at standard temperatures. Next step is to take our innovative technology to the higher temperature regime. We have the knowledge, the team, and the expertise to complete a demonstration unit, and this will be followed by commercialization. What we need is financial resources, and this is our appeal to you to lower the cost of hydrogen in order to enable the green hydrogen economy. Thank you.